Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel StudyPoint. अॼु जेको टॉपिक असां डिस्कस कंदासीं उहो आहे relative pronoun. Relative pronoun में पहिरियों जेको आहे असां वटि read the following pair of sentences. जेके pair of sentences असां गिवन आहिनि इहे असांखे पढ़ना आहिनि. I met George. George had just returned. Number second sentence I here is the book you lent me the book. William Shakespeare is a dramatist. His dramas are studied all over the world. Number fourth sentence, hi, John Keats is a poet. I like him very much. Let us combine each of the above pairs into one sentence. Thus, हाणे हिन में असां sentences में मथनि में ॾिसंदासीं त ॿ sentences जेके आहिनि उहे असांखे वेंदा आहिनि. हाणे असांखे relative pronoun use करे इहे sentences जेके आहिनि उहे combine करणा आहिनि. त first sentence खे असां पहिरें convert कयूं था I met George. George had just returned. हाणे थींदो I met George who had just returned. छो त people जो नालो आहे people लाइ असीं who use कंदा आहियूं. Number second sentence I here is the book you lent me the book. Here is the book which you lent me. ठीकु आहे त हिते which used your relative pronoun. Number third sentence थींदो William Shakespeare is the dramatist. His dramas are studied all over the world. हाणे इनके असीं एक सेंटेंस में की चेंज कंदासीं William Shakespeare is a dramatist whose dramas are studied all over the world. Number fourth sentence I John Keats is a poet. I like him very much. John Keats is the poet whom I like very much. In the above sentences who, which, whose and whom are used to join two sentences and they are called relative pronoun. A kind of pronoun which joins two sentences and also does the work of pronoun is called relative pronoun. मथिन sentences में who, which, whose and whom जेके आहिनि उहे ॿियनि sentences खे पाण में ॻंढनि था त असां उन्हनि खे छा चवंदासीं relative pronoun. अहिड़े क़िस्म जो pronoun जेको ॿियनि sentences खे पाण में ॻंढे join करे ऐं pronoun जो बि कमु करे असां उन्ही pronoun खे छा चवंदा आहियूं relative pronoun. Who, which, that, whose and whom are relative pronouns. हाणे subjective case, possessive case and objective cases आहिनि relative pronouns जा. who जो possessive case आहे whose ऐं objective case whom. which जो possessive case whose आहे ऐं जो objective case which आहे. that जो subjective case that ऐं possessive case जो न आहे ऐं objective case बि जो न आहे.